Sometimes we are getting issues related to our Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system. Whenever we start our computer, definitely you are able to turn on the machine. Everything is okay, but your Windows will not give any kind of graphic, right? Yes, I'm talking about the black screen on your display, like whatever operating system that you are currently using. You are getting a black screen in entire monitor, and you are not able to perform any task. You are not able to see like icons on desktop. Sometime you are able to see the start menu, but the another files or another folders that you put on your desktop are not available. In this class, I'm going to give you 4 to 5 different methods. Those methods will definitely help you to resolve this problem. Hey everyone, this is Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor. You are watching Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel. We are still on page of desktop troubleshooting in the playlist of IT support or IT issues and solution. Let's get started. Let me show you how it's look like if you are facing related to the black screen. So it looks like black screen on Windows maybe 10 or Windows 11, right? So it look like this. You just turn on your machine and sometime you get an error like this. You cannot perform any task. Even start menu is not appear on your laptop or desktop. Sometime it's look like this. Cooling fan of laptop or desktop is working properly. LED is blinking properly. Keyboard LED is also blinking properly, but unfortunately you are not able to find the start menu or icon of our desktop. So let's try to understand what are the steps required, and you should understand about the cause of black screen. So multiple cause of black screen for Windows based operating system like Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system. If you recently update some application or operating system file, and after the update of our recent Windows files or application, you are getting a kind of black screen. So this is the cause of latest update which is not matching with your hardware. Sometimes the cause related to the bad sectors in your hard drive, multiple bad sector in your hard drive, and suddenly you are getting a black screen and you are not able to find the issues. So let me tell you about what you need to do. For this particular task, I need to take the RDP of my virtual machine that I can show you the all steps, right? Because it's mandatory you should perform all the tasks practically. I need to take RDP of my machine, and after that we can proceed for the solution. This is my Windows 11 machine that like as I installed with Core i5 processor based Core i5 32 GB of RAM, SSD and 1 TB of hard drive. So let's take an example. I'm getting a black screen on this machine or operating system. So how we can start our troubleshooting? So very first step, maybe the problem of your graphic card, maybe the problem of your graphic driver. So you should reset your graphic driver. How we can do that? For this particular task, you just need to execute the command of Windows plus Control plus Shift and press B. Windows plus Control Shift and B. This command will help you to open and reset or reinstall our graphic driver. Just give me 1 minute. Let me try to execute because I have taken the RDP of my base machine, so I'm not able to use the this shortcut command. Just give me 1 minute. Let me try it with virtual machine that I recently installed. Fine. So I'm going to execute the same command to restart my graphic drivers. So it is really helpful if you're not able to find any icon or your screen is just getting a black. you are not able to perform any task. So please try to use Windows, then Control, then Shift, then B. You need to put together what exactly happen if any kind of graphic card that you are using which is not compatible with your operating system or hardware. So it will reset ourselves and make compatible with according to the operating system that you are using. This is step first if you are going to resolve the problem of black screen on your machine. So this is very first step that you need to execute. Again, after executing this command, still you are not able to resolve the problem. So please try to restart the Explorer, right? The Windows Explorer, and very basic steps required. You just need to open Task Manager to reset our Windows Explorer, and let me open it. And here we are able to find multiple options are available. Go to the file, click on run new task, and here we need to execute one command with explorer.exe, right? This is the command that you need to execute, and it will help us to open the Explorer, right? Because control panel, the task manager, you can easily open with the help of command line interface, or you just need to use Alt, Control and Delete. Whenever we proceed Alt, Control and Delete, it will redirect us on the page of our task manager, and in the task manager you can open the page of Explorer. After that, still you are not able to resolve the problem, so please try to open your machine, msconfig, go to the boot option and select safe mode, right, and restart your computer. In this case, it will check if the problem is occur from any third party application, so it will try to run your machine in normal mode. You can turn on your computer using safe mode, and if you are able to see the GUI like Recycle Bin and Microsoft Edge, and you are able to see the icon of start menu, it means that the third party applications that you recently install or any kind of drivers that you install with your machine, and after that you're getting a black screen. So please try to uninstall the latest application and drivers that you install on your machine. This is another method that you can use it. And next, you can also fix the error from our device manager. So what you need to do, you just need to proceed with the command of you just need to open device manager, like search and try to open, but make sure your machine must be logged in normal mode, right? Start your computer in normal mode to execute the command. Let me show you by using my base machine. Type device manager, window plus X, this is the shortcut that you can use. And in device manager, please verify the type of graphic card that you are currently using. Right click and try to update drivers, right, and reset the driver. It will redirect you on this particular page. If any kind of updates required, it will give us option, and please update and try again. Next, the another steps that you need to use, please roll back all the latest application and drivers that you install with your computer. That with the help of rollback, you are going to uninstall the all existing application that you recently installed and try to make your machine like as old. So everyone, these all steps required to resolve the problem of black screen of any Windows operating system. I hope everyone okay with the points that we discussed. Thank you so much. We are going to connect on next troubleshooting. Take care, bye bye, and do subscribe. You're on Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel. Bye guys.